I think last year I was talking about doing rather than talking, and it's extending that theme. I think we need to continue to do rather than tell people. I think still we have a tendency to tell the business what they think rather than accepting they've set the agenda and we've got to deliver to what they want. But I think the build on that for this year is just being more agile and being more flexible, hence stretch the hammies. Way we've addressed that really in the team, for me, is to actually shrink the team quite significantly and really have a core set of experts that deliver our must-win areas around particularly the ingredients that we buy that go into our products, and then agreeing with the board and the exec a flex model. So effectively having a pool of funds that as we need the right resource, we'll bring that resource in to deliver at a higher pace and hopefully at a higher benefit. And I think for small businesses or small to medium-sized entities, that's a key feature to go forward. I'm not going to be able to have a procurement team that can particularly cover every single category. So rather than go for generalists that can do that, this pool of money effectively allows me to buy in experts when we need to. And as an example, so we're running 2 big projects at the moment. We have a external procurement consultancy outsource that's managing our marketing. And I have 2 interims who are MRO specialists running a project on our operational indirects. The business has bought into that. We're delivering quicker than we could have done on our own. And I think that as a model allows me to continue to adapt to the business. So as they adapt to the external market that we're in, I can put resource against the right areas. That builds increased credibility in the team. It builds better realization of what we can deliver and looks to really deliver against what the business needs. The risk to that model is the loss of stewardship and corporate knowledge. And really, so to try and address that, we've also put in place an apprenticeship scheme. So again, working with the local colleges, we're looking to build an apprenticeship scheme that will bring a couple of apprentices into the team at a junior level, but looking to build young, good talent. And I think between the apprenticeships, this flex model and our core team, we're well positioned to adapt and flex with the business as it goes forward. And I think for me, that's something that procurement needs to address across a number of entities. It may not work for large entities, but certainly in that small to medium space, being able to adapt quickly and deliver to the business, I think is important. And I think what older people like me may need to do is stretch those hammies and make sure that we're flexible enough to adapt as we move forward.